हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। ओके, फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा धरनी कैपिटल सर्विसेज IPO opens today. GMP price, other details in 10 points. Okay. Dharni Capital Services IPO initial public offer. Okay, let's move. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। धरनी कैपिटल सर्विसेज Dharni Capital Services Limited IPO. The initial public offering IPO of Dharni Capital Services Limited has opened today for subscribers, and the public issue will remain open for bidding till 20 January 2023. The public offer is purpose for listing on BSE SME exchange, and the SME company aims to raise 10.74 crore. Okay, 10.74 crore from its issue offer by fresh issue of 5,370 shares of the company. Okay. 53,70,000 shares of the company. The company has fixed public issue price at 20. Meanwhile, grey market is also dropping signals about the issue as per the market observe. Shares of the financial services company are available at a premium of ₹2 in grey market today. Okay, fresh issue of 53,70,000 shares of the company. Okay. The net profit for the issue will be utilized towards the following object: general corporate purpose. Here we list out important Dharni Capital Services Limited IPO details in 10 points. Dharni Capital Services Limited IPO GMP today, as mentioned above, the shares of the financial services company are available a premium of ₹2 in grey market today. Same market observes. Dharni Capital Services Limited IPO price. The company has fixed issue price at ₹20 per equity shares. Okay, ₹20 per equity shares. Okay. Third, Dharni Capital Services Limited IPO date. The public issue has opened today, and it will remain open till 20 January 2023. Okay. Okay, Dharni Capital Services, the company aims to 10.74 crore from his public issue. Okay. Dharni Capital Services bidder will be able to apply in lots, and one lot of the issue will compare to 6,000 shares of the company. One lot, 6,000 shares. Okay. Dharni Capital shares, the 2020 date of the shares allocations is scheduled on 25th January 2023. The public issue purpose of the listing BSE SME exchange. The public issue is expected to list on 31st January 2023. The public issue is expected to list on 31st January 2023. Okay. Surgeon Alpha Capital, the advisor, has been appointed the official registrar of this public issue. Okay. And promoters shareholding after successful listing of the company, shares on BSE SME exchange. Promoters shareholding and the company will come down from 100% to 73.64%. Okay, for final year 2022, the company registered a total revenue of 1469.40 lakhs as compared to rupees 255.41 lakhs in final year 2021, while the total revenue of H1 final year 23 stood at rupees 304.95 lakhs. It registered an EBITDA of 134.34 lakhs in final year 2022. They compared to rupees 21.90 lakh in final year 2021, while the EBITDA for H1 final year 2023 they stood at 80.55 lakhs for final year 2022. Its PAT was 96.58 lakhs as compared to 15.26 lakhs for final year 2021, while PAT of for H1 final year 2023 is rupees 58.73 lakhs. Okay. Okay, so guys, Dharni Capital Services IPO initial public offer opens today. GMP price of the details in 10 points. Okay, धरनी कैपिटल IPO आपको बाय करना है. The initial public offer IPO Dharni Capital Services open today for subscriber and public issue will remain to open the bidding 20 January 2023. Okay. MSO raised 10.74 crores. Its issue offer by fresh issue for 53,70,000 shares of the company. Okay, and public issue price at rupees 20. Okay, the company has fixed public issue price at rupees 20. Meanwhile, the grey market is also dropping the signals about the issue. Okay, so guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.